Hello, I am going to talk about some fundamentals of remote sensing. How do we perceive or how do we sense our surrounding? We sense our surrounding by using our sense organs. We use our five sense organs to perceive our surrounding. If we sense our surrounding or if we sense any objects which at a distance from us without any physical contact with that object, we can say that it's remote sensing. So, we always perform remote sensing. So, remote sensing is a process of sensing objects from a distance without any physical contact with that object. We use satellite instruments for remote sensing. For remote sensing, we need three essential things. We need an energy source, we need an electromagnetic radiation, and we need a target or an object. This remote sensing is of two types, passive and active. We use passive and active sensors in satellite instruments. In passive sensors, passive sensors which respond to any external stimuli. From this figure, we can see that the first figure that shows a passive sensor. A passive sensor in that satellite instrument that responds to the electromagnetic radiation that reflected from any objects on the earth's surface or any particles in the atmosphere that respond to this external stimuli. But in active sensors that respond to internal stimuli, that means the active sensor or the source and the sensor system in the satellite instrument that sends an electromagnetic radiation to the earth. When this electromagnetic radiation that falls on any objects or any particle in the atmosphere, some of the radiation that's absorbed by that objects and the radiation reflected back from this object, that sensor responds to that radiation. That is the active sensor that responds to internal stimuli. Thank you.